Hello, this is Olivia from Denim Shop. Today, we're going to introduce you to our hottest items, from denim jackets to winter quilted jackets and jeans. These are the most comfortable denim pieces that you can style effortlessly. Let's take a look together. What do you think of our models' outfits? They look incredibly stylish, don't they? Our denim materials are designed for comfortable styling for both men and women. Not only are they stylish, but when you see how effortlessly our models move in them, you'll understand that comfort is a given. These are the hottest items from our denim shop, combining both practicality and design. For just 3 days, you can purchase these items at a 30% discount. The response from our already satisfied customers has been outstanding. Many customers have left reviews, so let's take a look. Let me share Benjamin's most recent review today. I gifted a jacket to my girlfriend. The quality is excellent, and the design is unique, receiving many compliments. I am planning to purchase one for myself too. It seems like Benjamin highlighted some of our brand's key advantages. Our denim is crafted using a special method, making it softer and more shape-retaining than ordinary denim. You can wear it comfortably for a long time. Additionally, we put a lot of thought into the design, avoiding the typical and ensuring it's fashionable and easy to mix and match with any outfit. So, if you're already familiar with our brand, it looks like you'll be shopping exclusively with us. Benjamin, the sale starts today, so you can grab these at a great price. We've brought all the hot items, from jackets to jumpers and pants. We don't have sales often, but this time, it's only for 3 days, so make sure not to miss this opportunity.
Don't gotta hurry in and